And this is just a taste of what's to come on Christmas Day.
Dad, where did the yams and beets go?
Down.
What?
Right here from this very station.
It's just around the corner. Your cares are a million miles away. On the horizon, it isn't surprising that the sun has come to say so. Take a chance and go the distance on a wing and on a prayer. And stop your boo-hooing, for something is brewing. It's Christmas time. It's in the air.
Don't be a gloomy Gus. Wrinkles bring only the wrinkles to the brow. When you are down and out, kick up your heels and shout.
That was then and this is now. Hope is just around the corner. Your lucky penny has been found. Slap on a grin on your face once again and spread some smiles all over town. Then Scrooge's will turn to Pollyannas. Skies of gray will turn to blue.
And just grab for the ring and see what it is. If you'll only try, you'll find.